what we've done there is to find a trend which is like 2 kilometers long. That's significant. We've got outcropping pegmatites. We're in that Salinas Formation, which hosts all these lithium resources in the region. This is an excellent result for us. We were expecting good results, but I guess the scale of the result is significant.
All right, welcome back inside our proactive newsroom. And joining me now is Alex Biggs. He is the CEO of Lightning Minerals. And Alex, welcome back. Good to see you again.
Lovely to see you, Steve. How are you?
I'm doing very well, thank you. And the company out with some pretty strong results from your soil sampling that you're doing at your project in Brazil. So let's start there. Tell everyone a bit about project itself and about this program and what it's designed to do.
Yeah, sure, Steve. I think the last time we spoke, we've had a number of good results coming through from our projects in Brazil. I'm in Brazil at the moment doing a site visit. Caraíbas, these results are, I guess, they're not necessarily surprising, but they're really, really strong. I think that seeing lithium in soil anomalism up to 240, 239 ppm Li is really, really good. So what we've done there is to find a trend which is like 2 kilometers long. That's significant. We've got outcropping pegmatites. We're in that Salinas Formation, which hosts all these lithium resources in the region. This is an excellent result for us. We were expecting good results, but I guess the scale of the result is significant. For us, this is off the back of our Esperanza discovery, the spodumene discovery. So all of a sudden, from a month ago to today, we've now got two really bona fide drill targets.
Yeah, and that's obviously always been the plan is to get this drilled in 2025. So will you are you happy with those two right now? Is there still more work that's going on that will potentially lead to potentially even more drill targets that you want to do?
Yeah, look, I mean, when we made the acquisition in June, we set a very clear plan of what we wanted to do. It's quite a simple plan. It's simple, but it's not easy. Do the on the ground work, do the ground reconnaissance, do the soil sampling, walk around. There's nothing like walking around the bush and tripping over some rocks and putting all these puzzle pieces together. And we've done a very good job of that in the last 6 months. And I guess to have two clear drill targets like this, and I say two, I mean obviously Esperanza, we understand there that we've got that spodumene discovery, 4.04% Li2O. That's significant. Lots of outcropping pegmatites there. That's going to be drilled first in Q1 2025. Then we'll move on to Caraíbas second. After that, we're doing some more ground reconnaissance works there. We just want to look at the pegmatites. We want to look at orientation, trace those pegmatites over this 2 kilometer trend, see what that looks like. I mean, I was there myself the other day. We actually walked it. Looks really, really good. The pegmatites are fairly flat lying, so I think that some vertical holes there allow us to define that and find out pretty quickly what this is. But I think the actual results themselves, the soil sampling results, I mean, the reason they're probably significant is because when we look at the soil, it's residual, it's not transported. So where we see good results like this, we're fairly confident there's lithium, pretty close in that proximity. So it allows us to, do our drill targeting pretty easily, pretty quickly. I want the guys just to gain some more IP of the region. I guess more understanding of what we're actually drilling into. That's what we should do before we put a drill in the ground. But Caraíbas will be second after Esperanza. We've also got the Canabrava prospect as well. We've got some good results there. Lithium in soil up to 113 ppm Li, excellent as well. Infill works going on there. That's another potential drill target for this year. So, from 6 months ago when we first made the acquisition in Brazil to today, we've got three potential drill targets. We're ongoing. We're developing more opportunities there. We're looking at other projects, looking at developing other drill targets. Brazil's been great. I think 2025 is going to be awesome.
All right, sounds exciting for sure. Alex, thanks for sharing all this with us. Really appreciate it, and we'll talk soon, okay?
Great. Thank you, Steve. All the best.
You as well. Alex Biggs, the CEO of Lightning Minerals.